Right, guys, we're in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And it was actually looking back at the video I made of this hotel that gave me the idea to do this recap. Because you're going to, if you watch the main video, because you're going to see some amazing stuff. The building, this is Santa Teresa in the hills. It's the MGallery Santa Teresa. I was given the suite that Amy Winehouse had stayed in. And when I gave my room number to Bill for a drink or something, they'd look, oh, you're in the Amy Winehouse suite. I had a grand piano in my room suite. Oh, it was the most tremendous room. I was travelling solo. Not the same. If you're travelling solo, don't stay here. Take someone with you. This is a room for couples, as I found out when I went in the restaurant. Now, I'd been in the restaurant for breakfast, and breakfast was spectacular. Wonderful, right? Watch the full video, you'll see what I mean. But I fancied dinner. Now, I'm not a big one for eating dinner solo. However, I do kind of quite enjoy it, and I'm quite happy to do it. And this restaurant, I'm not sure if it had a Michelin star, but it was definitely that rated level of excellence. I'd looked at the menu and I'd geared myself up. So I had a wash, had a shave, cleaned myself up, made myself respectable, sat in the restaurant, ordered a glass of wine, made myself comfy, bread and butter arrived, outstanding, and I looked around. Every other table was couples. It was candlelit. Everyone was staring into each other's eyes, in love, holding that moment of being in this magical place in the hills at Rio de Janeiro. And there was Nobby No Mates thinking to himself, this isn't really what I had planned for my evening. So I just sat there and I just thought, I can't do this. I was going to do the lot. You know, I was going to do the starter. I was going to do my lobster. That's what I got my head in. But anyway, I just had my glass of wine. The bread and butter was like a course on its own. I had the lobster tail, and then as a News of the World reporter would say, I made my excuses and left. Would I stay here? I'd love to stay here again. Would I stay solo? Probably not. However, if you've got a special anniversary or a birthday and you want to go somewhere special and you're looking at South America, Santa Teresa has got to be a choice. The full video is in the link in the description below. The links to the hotel and it's the special offers below are in the description below. Links to my website, hotel bookings, cruise bookings, all that sort of stuff. It's all below. And if you want to listen to a little tale about another one of the 125 hotels I've reviewed over the last couple of years, then you might want to subscribe, which is free, of course. And so is clicking the bell. And if you click the bell, YouTube will let you know the next time I post a video, which is going to be tomorrow. And I hope to see you tomorrow so I can share a little bit more about my hotel reviews. And no idea what's going to go up tomorrow. No idea what I'm going to film next. We shall have to wait and see. The surprise will be as much yours as mine. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.